Hey Timmy, what you doing? Hey Bob, oh nothing much, I'm just trading. What's that? Haha, thought you'd never ask. Here's everything you need to know about trading. Now, let's start with the basics. Trading is divided up into 5 main categories: scalping, day trading, swing trading, positional trading, and investing. Now, it doesn't matter which one you choose, your goal for all of them is to buy high and sell low. Buy low and sell high. Alright, before I go any further, it's very important to know that there is no best option. The money you lose is solely based on you. The trading style you choose has literally zero relation to the amount of blown accounts and money you lose. But you still need to choose something, and you're probably thinking, which one do I choose, and what's the difference between them? Well, that just boils down to how much movement in price you're looking for. More importantly, the frequency of trading and how much time you're willing to hold onto a position. First, we'll look into the movement of price, where we'll be using S&P as an example. By the way, 1 point means $1. Scalping, you're aiming for 10 to 25 points. Day trading, 25 to 100 points. Swing trading, 100 to 250 points. Positional trading, 250 to 500 points. And investing, you're aiming for the moon. Now let's look into the more important factor: your frequency of trading and how long you're willing to hold onto a position. Scalping, your trades will usually be between a few seconds to 15 minutes maximum, and the frequency you trade varies between trader to trader. Day trading, your trades would last 15 minutes to 2 hours, and the amount you trade really depends on the trader itself. But for me personally, I have a problem with overtrading, so I limit myself to 3 to 5 times a week. Swing trading, your trades last from days to weeks, and you'll be trading a couple times a month. Positional trading, your trades will last from weeks to months, sometimes even years, and you will be trading once every few months. Investing, you're holding until you die, and the frequency that you'll be making new investments would be once every few years. It's not that frequent. Now, with this all being said, which one do you choose? And ultimately, it just boils down to your own personality and your level of patience. Ask yourself, are you really willing to hold on to a position for months? Or do you only have the patience to hold on to it for a day? That's up to you to decide. If you choose scalping or day trading, then here's something very important to know that will either make or break your trades. And that important thing is time. By the way, everything is in New York local time. That's the standard time zone whenever you're trading or just talking about the markets. Doesn't matter where you live, China or Australia, your chart will always be in New York local time. Now let's get into it. Intraday trading is divided up into 2 sessions, AM and PM. AM session is from 8:30 to 11, while the PM session is from 1 to 4. You generally don't want to be trading outside of these times, as there are no movement in price causing you to bore to death. So what you want to do is find out the AM session and PM session is in your own time zone. For example, if you live in Vancouver, it means you're 3 hours behind New York. Therefore, AM session would be from 5:30 to 8, while the PM session would be from 11 to 1. Also, if you're in school, the West Coast is perfect, as you can trade AM sessions without having any time conflict with school. Another important thing to note is that news events can also be a big factor to the volatility of any market, and you definitely do not want to have an open position before a high impact news. If you do have a position open before a news, the markets are no different than a casino. To see when these news events are released, just go to a news site or something like Forex Factory, and it'll show when news are released. Now that you know the different types of trading, let's take a look in the different asset classes and different markets available for you to trade. So you have Forex, equities, stocks, futures, indices, oil, gold, and silver. Now, these are just some of the plethora of markets available at your fingertips, and whichever one you choose, choice will be yours. And that's it. You now know how to start losing money professionally. Pick a trading style, pick a market, and commit. Enjoy the process of studying, backtesting, tape reading, and journaling. Trading is one of the hardest industries to be successful in, and I wish you all the best of luck.